As we say in the Fiji Islands, Nisa Mbula Vinaka, or in good morning, Nisayan Ravinaka, and in Japan, Konnichiwa. The Honorable Yuichiro Koga, State Minister of the Cabinet Office and responsible for Expo Osaka 2025, Honorable Yasutoshi Nishimura, Deputy Secretary General of the Pacific Islands Parliamentary Friendship League, Ambassador for PALM, His Excellency Jiro Okuyama, the Honorable Minister for Youth and Sports from the Republic of Fiji, Honorable Saukuru, Honorable Koya, Member of Parliament of the Republic of Fiji, the Consul General for Expo from Fiji, former Ambassador Wangambada, the Osaka Prefecture Government and its municipalities, Fiji Honorary Consular Corp in Japan, Fijian Diaspora in Japan, and Friends of Fiji. On behalf of the Fijian government and the people of Fiji, I extend our deepest gratitude to Japan for its warm hospitality and for masterfully hosting Expo 2025 under the powerful theme, Designing Future Society for Our Lives. Your nation's embrace of Fiji as friends and partners epitomizes the spirit of international cooperation that the world desperately needs. This same spirit of shared purpose and mutual respect guides our government's visions to build a resilient, connected, and prosperous future, not just for Fiji, but in partnership with all nations represented here today. While Fiji's National Day is officially celebrated on the 10th of October every year, today in Osaka, we celebrate something just as important: Fiji's place in the world. We are a nation of just under 1 million people, spread across more than 300 islands, bound by the Pacific Ocean, our cherished ocean of peace. This ocean is our lifeline, but it also reminds us of our shared global challenges. As our friends from Tuvalu have so powerfully articulated, climate change is not a distant threat. It is a present reality, testing our resilience with eroding coastlines and intensifying cyclones. Yet, these challenges do not define our destiny. What defines us is our response, our ability to adapt, to innovate, and to hold on to our faith. Faith in our people, and faith in the strength of genuine partnership. In a world of rapid transformation and geopolitics shifting quite rapidly, and also technologies, global challenges that now demand collective responses. Fiji's response or approach is clear. We choose partnership over isolation. We will secure peace and prosperity for our people and the region through collaboration, not confrontation. This commitment to unity is why the partnership between Fiji and Japan stands as a powerful example of what nations can achieve when they stand together. Japan has been a steadfast friend and reliable partner, supporting Fiji and the Pacific through development cooperation, climate resilience initiatives, meaningful technology, education, and cultural exchanges. For this, Fiji and its people are deeply grateful. Fiji's presence at this expo is built upon three foundational pillars that reflect our nation's values and vision for the future. First, we are committed to saving lives by promoting a sustainable environment where people and nature thrive harmoniously. This means building resilience against climate change, a challenge at the heart of our very existence. We are taking decisive action, relocating vulnerable communities, reinforcing our coastal infrastructure, and implementing climate-smart agricultural practices. Our commitment extends to the vigilant protection of our pristine ecosystems through sustainable management of our natural resources. In our fisheries sector, we are combating illegal fishing and safeguarding marine biodiversity, while in forestry, we enforce responsible harvesting paired with dedicated reforestation, assuring that for every tree cut, another is planted. We recognize that the long-term economic progress remains profoundly vulnerable without sustainable environment. This understanding has propelled Fiji to become a leading voice for global climate action, championing multilateral cooperation and regional solidarity in the face of shared challenges. Our foreign policy is rooted in the conviction that the Pacific must remain an ocean of peace, a zone of friendship and collaboration free from competition and conflict. With partners like Japan, we are transforming vulnerability into strength, seizing opportunities in renewable energy, sustainable tourism, and climate-resilient infrastructure. Through these actions, we protect our future and model a proactive, solution-oriented path for other vulnerable nations to follow. Second, we are also deeply committed to connecting lives, bridging geographies through digital innovation and cultures through genuine human warmth. As an island nation, Fiji is emerging as a dynamic Pacific hub, investing strategically in digital infrastructure, such as subsea cables, to expand internet access and empower every Fijian. This transformation is essential for trade and innovation, enabling our youth and our women to participate fully in the global digital economy. At the same time, we are strengthening human connections through our thriving tourism sector, a key economic pillar that contributes about 40% of our GDP and is now rebounding with strength. A key driver of this recovery is the direct Nandi-Narita flight operated by our national airline, Fiji Airways, which brings to Fiji our friends from Japan, closer to authentic Fiji experiences. For Fiji, happiness, adventure, relaxation, and connection are key. We invite the world to experience our pristine environment and the profound warmth of the Fiji human spirit. And third, and most importantly, we are inspiring lives through partnership. The government vision is clear from Fiji. Fiji is open for business, cooperation, and innovation. Our partnership with Japan exemplifies exactly this, extending well beyond political and cultural ties into deeply economic cooperation as well. Our bilateral trade continues to grow, creating tangible opportunities in fisheries, agriculture, renewable energy, and technology, foundational areas where shared expertise delivers mutual benefit. At home, we are committed to building an inclusive economy that leaves no one behind. We empower our micro, small, and medium enterprises, which form the vital backbone of our economy, comprising up to 60% of all businesses in Fiji, and serving as primary drivers for innovation, job creation, and community sustenance. Simultaneously, we are revitalizing our cooperative movement, from kava farmers to fisher folk, to women handicraft collectives, to strengthen community resilience, foster solidarity, and ensure that the dividends of prosperity are shared widely and equitably. As Fiji looks to the future, we recognize the importance of building smarter cities, embracing technology for good, and fostering innovation that improves the lives of our people. Japan's leadership in smart technologies, digital infrastructure, and sustainable urban development presents opportunities for deeper collaboration with Fiji. Together, we can explore pathways to harness digital solutions, renewable energy, and modern infrastructure to create a smarter, more resilient Fiji, while ensuring that technology serves humanity and strengthens our communities. Our partnership with Japan is not just about trade and investment, but it's about shaping a future where our nations stand together in innovation, sustainability, and shared prosperity. Looking ahead, our hope for the future remains clear. We strive to be a nation that not only adapts to climate change, but thrives despite it. An economy that is diversified, innovative, and inclusive, and a society that empowers its youth and women, 60% of which are under the age of 35, to lead with creativity and courage, and a people who remain firmly rooted in culture, values, while embracing opportunities in the changing world. Through partnership, innovation, and shared resolve, we are designing a resilient, connected, and inspiring future for Fiji, the Pacific, and the world. And I am certain that we will work together with Japan to deliver on these aspirations. In concluding, I wish to reaffirm Fiji's unwavering commitment to global solidarity. The challenges we face, from climate change to economic disparity, can only be solved together through unity, mutual respect, and shared innovation. This expo is more than a showcase. It is a launchpad for deeper collaboration that transcends borders, drives innovation, and empowers our communities. Together, let us design a future, or continue to design a future, that is inclusive, compassionate, and sustainable. A future where no nation, no matter how small in size or big, is left behind. As we draw our celebrations to a close, allow me to express my deepest gratitude to those from Fiji who have for those who made Fiji's presence in Osaka possible. From the Ministry of Economy, from METI, Koya Shipping, the Honorary Consul of Okada, VFlex Limited, the Sasakawa Peace Foundation, and our dedicated honorary consuls across Japan. We do extend our deepest gratitude and thank you for your unwavering support. In Fijian, we say, Winakasaka Bakaleo. Your partnership has not only ensured Fiji's representation at this global stage, but has also strengthened the bonds of friendship between Fiji and Japan. With your continued support, we look forward to continuing to build bridges of trade, innovation, and people to people within our two countries that will carry our nations into a brighter, prospered, shared future. With those few words, Arigato gozaimasu. May God bless you all. May God bless Japan. And may God bless the Republic of Fiji. Inakavaleu.
Nisakoya omorinka salakinamura Nivitini mataka Nisakoya omorinka salakinamura Nivitini mataka